Hi, English 101 students. Here's a really great example of the type of essay I'm looking for your policy paper. This article from the Washington Post is dated on May 9th, 2020, and it's in response to the COVID-19 crisis, how college students can return to campus this fall. Okay, so what the authors do here is they provide some background of the problem. All right, the problem is obviously that face-to-face instruction is typically seen as more rigorous and more engaging than online classes. Okay, so they talk about this right here. Our students have expressed frustration while taking all their classes online. So they then move into their thesis. So up here, again, a background of the problem. They then move into their thesis. For all of these reasons, we urge campuses to bring students and in-person instruction back in the fall term. This "we urge" is a claim of policy. This is a call to action, okay? Calling campuses to do something. You can see they use a subordinate conjunction right here, although, okay? And then they finalize their thesis by talking about there isn't a one-size-fits-all roadmap, but they are going to provide a roadmap for how we can accomplish bringing students back in the fall. So you can see some of these key words. First, institutions should, okay? This is what I'm looking for. When you roadmap your thesis statement, having these and signal phrases, right? First, second, third. So I know what your paper is going to discuss. Also keep in mind using should, must, need, could, would, or ought as policy claims throughout your roadmap or throughout the steps to implement your solution, okay? Second, institutions should. Okay, you can see again, they're using the same techniques that I've been teaching you the past few weeks. Third, because faculty and administrators on campus are more likely to be older or have health conditions that make them more susceptible to COVID-19, special attention must. And there's that key word must. Okay, another policy claim. That's what I'm looking for. Fourth, colleges and universities should ensure. Okay, again, should. And then finally, institutions should. They then come back to their thesis statement and reinforce their thesis and what they should do now. Now, keep in mind, this is just the overall essay, but this is a good example of how you can organize a paper using the exact same techniques that I have been stressing throughout the past few weeks. Keeping things nice and organized not only helps the reader stay on track of your argument, but it also helps you as a writer. If you can establish a sense of organization in the first paragraph and then unpack that first paragraph throughout your essay is easier to follow and it's easier to write as well.